We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender. And it's all about the young police from Jamaica. Seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself. Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police Channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. Douglas Chambers, who was killed by PMP criminal organization members, and it came from the top, and to date the person who have given that order has not been arrested and charged for that murder. So you can go to Patreon and you'll be able to see the face and name of those persons. So thanks for your continued support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yes, we want to to acknowledge that it would with our we're truly sorry for the for the late start of this show tonight. Reason being is that due to circumstances beyond our control. If you can hear me, just type in the comment section that you can hear me. Yes, big up Diplomat Ice, Rasta Will. If you can't hear me, just let me know that you can hear me. Yes, so as you know that it's 2025, and right now, if you love Jamaica, Jamaica is at a crossroads. And moving forward, this year 2025, this is the year that if we want to become a terrorist paradise, or we want Jamaica to go back to a semblance where decency reign. We have seen where up is down, wrong is right, and right is double right, and they are always right. So we have this white man who's from England. You have all kind of pundits and all kind of people scamming, the low IQ people them because they can't think. And it's so unfortunate that we have people in our own country who cannot think. You have this man who is not much older than yours truly, and not a single person have attended school with this man. But the only thing that we have seen this man has been raining down on our people is for them to become criminals. So if you're a mother or a father and you want the best of your children, If you are looking to this man for your son or your daughter to become exemplary citizens, you have another guest coming. Mark Golden and the PMP LGBTQ plus agenda transforming Jamaica from a criminal paradise to a terrorist paradise. Whether or not you want to believe it, in a shocking and disturbing twist, Mark Golden, leader of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, appears determined to transform Jamaica into a terrorist paradise where lawlessness reigns supreme. Those of you who remember when the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, they had their conference in last year in 2024. Just remember the people them that they had showcased there. Those who have memory will remember, and those who ignore their memory, they won't remember anything. Because as usual, 9-day wonders, and these people, when they were going to school, they sit at the back of the class and they boast that they're fully dunce. So under the guise of progressive governance and inclusivity, the PMP LGBTQ plus has embarked on an unsettling campaign to glorify criminals, parade convicted killers, and destabilize Jamaica's fragile social fabric. You will never hear this man or the PMP condemn criminality. And some of you might ask why. Because as I said to you guys before, and I say it again, I am from the belly of the beast. When I say I'm from the belly of the beast, that's where the baby was born. Criminality. Everything to do with crime. The glorification of criminals, putting criminals on a pedestal. That is where it started in my community. And I said, and this, some people, they said, but Chris, you know that there's no reason for you to, beating the drum. Why you trying to be like some savior? You made it out of the worst, one of the worst places in the Kingston metropolitan area. Them say nothing good no come from Jonestown or Concrete Jungle. It's just pure criminals. And we have proved them wrong. And show them that you have people with high moral, ethics, decency, and honesty within them. And we have shown the world that. And for some of them, they are shocked. They can't believe. While you have those who are not from our background, they have no problem, none, to roll with the people who are traitors to destroy our own people. And you can look at them. These are not the only person on the screen that you're looking at right now. He's not from the belly of the beast, but he used to live there. Is Muta Baruka. The others, when I talk the fake Jamaican, Dean Jackson Miller, Michael Abrahams, Daniel Archer, Sizzler, and the likes, these people, they are not from the belly of the beast. And one of the biggest disservice that's happening with our Jamaican people is the media houses in Jamaica that's destroying our people, not educating them and let them know who are their enemies and who is looking out for them. But in Jamaican, sensationalism is always at work. Jamaican people do not care or even love their own country. When we say Jamaican, we attack the people them from my background. The only thing that we can do for save Jamaica for 2025 is to send back this man back to England. Reason being, this is a man who have embraced criminality big time. Mark Golden. And yeah, you don't want any glasses to see because we have it on the channel. You have a guy named Danville Palmer. His brother has been deported from America last year. That's why I tell you, when you migrate into America, do not live in another blue state. Blue state means liberal state. That is where up is down and down is up. These are the only states in America where killers get second chance at life. Madness. And guess who they are appealing to is black people. Because they know says only black people always kill black people. But if black people were killing white people, that wouldn't happen. So when you blue states them. Blue states them, madness. killers get second chance at life. So that's why Danville Palmer's brother is down there. When I you talk about them, because as we say, it's tick. The days where people can kill people and get away with it and feel like people just suck it up. That day is behind us. Cause people, you kill someone's father, don't expect that the son or whoever is gonna smile with you. Like your day is coming, and he left from Jamaica, went to America and do the same thing. PMP community. That is what they have imparted to us as black people. There's nothing in the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. They don't empower you to educate yourself, to love to read. They don't. There's no career where they tell you to become a banker, a lawyer, a doctor. They always use the worst of these communities to show the youths. So that's the reason why we are at this juncture in Jamaica. So that's why this year is pivotal. All them do is glorify criminals. What's worse, this agenda seems tailored to protect and elevate the very individuals wreaking havocs on our communities. Those of you who remember, just remember the other day in time, you see at the conference, the people that them elevate there and parade them. That is how these people operate. They don't care. They don't love Jamaican people. You understand? It's all about power. Yes. So we as a people, only we alone can save Jamaica from these people, and no one else. You cannot depend on so-called like-minded people who can't think for themselves. Because everything to them, it's politics, everything is local. They don't think about the future. All they think about is a belly full. This man hell bent, to destroy Jamaica by promoting and normalizing criminality and put them on a pedestal. I just saw with Vice Cartel and all these people, we see it. We have seen it. This man haven't hide what he's all up to turn Jamaica in a terrorist paradise. So if you're tired of the killing, you need to send back this man to England. This man is not a Jamaican. Don't let nobody tell you. You tell someone that you were born in America and people just believe, just hug up that you have to provide some credentials, man. But that's how it is, in Jamaica, where Jamaican people seem to have them like the moral fortitude, especially our media houses. I know as usual over here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, people love comforting lies and them run away from the unpleasant truths. The most people don't really want the truth. They just want constant reassurance of what they believe is the truth. So although them know that this man is not a Jamaican by birth, and him a parade on himself as a Jamaican, biggest fraud and biggest con ever. We as black people, some of them out there, even willing to give them one life for him. Some of them are behave like them were him say born a Kingston, you see another Kingston, you see in a St. Andrew. And no time I've ever said that I was born in Kingston. I'm a Kingstonian, but I'm not born a Kingston. Born in a St. Andrew. Close to Kingston. I'm born in the belly of the beast. I'm gonna put up my birth certificate for him put up his. Cause we know say a lie I tell. And we have to save Jamaica from these people. We can't allow the 5 grand people them. This year, right? This year is the year now. Most of you don't know that when it come on to our people, Jamaican, you see, at every turning point in history, every time Jamaica about to make a stride to become a better island, the British always find someone to send to Jamaica to destroy our people. Those of you who know and didn't know that Jamaica should have been a first world country like Singapore. The PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization will not tell you that, and them and they're educated one and the educators them. Reason why they won't tell you that is because these people, they are evil, they are corrupt, and they are the notorious liars. Jamaica was on the trajectory in 1972 to become the Singapore of the Caribbean. And the British, most of you didn't know this, because you have been told lies for decades. Michael Manley is not a Jamaican by birth. Michael Manley was born in England as Mark Golden. They know that the slave back then, the descendants of slaves, they know what these people wanted. The ones that wanted to work, that were conservative, they know that there were some licky one with amongst our people then. And that's how Michael Manley came to the fore and promised them the world without working for it. And that's where we are right now. In 1976, most say you don't even know. There was two criminals from my community. One named Bory Boy, and the other one, Bory Boy, that is Clifton Blake. And then you have George Spence. His father was a police officer. They come from Jonestown. My mother and my father know them. George Spence's father was an inspector of police. Yeah, that I fed him up. He this Michael Manley, and then him this Michael Manley in a Cuba, and then they kill him in downtown Kingston. This was the first stage of normalizing criminality in Jamaica. It was done by Michael Manley with this man and Bory Boy, who are from my community. That's him, mass murderer Clifton Blake, aka Bory Boy. I'll just say, what we continue to say over here. We're not here to massage people ego to make people feel nice. We're just here to tell you the real mama papa truth. So if you want Jamaica to make a right or to make a left and go in the abyss, this is the year if you want to save your little island. If not, you can count Jamaica as being done, over with. Because anyhow, this big belly white guy gets the levers of government. You think that he's going to make your life better? He might take care of some of the criminals them. Yeah, because that's how the PMP operate. Remember, extortion and the PMP give us as Jamaican extortion PJ Patterson in the 1990s. This man will give us worse. Remember, he's the same one that told the Jamaican people that is 8 to 12 years he want to give murderers. He knows that, majority of the killers in Jamaica are affiliated with the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. And guess what? You see the people them who will lose them life, none of them don't look like him. Because where him live, the same people them where the same people them, even like from my community where I was born and raised, they're not going up to his community to kill anyone that look like him. All the people that are being killed in Jamaica are black people. The white man had them own the business and the banks, like him, and the black man who own the gangs. So the black man are the one that enforce. Him are the enforcer on the ground using criminality and terroristic behavior to control the people them in our community. Because them don't care about black people. This man, his job, right now, his job is just to finish what Michael Manley had started. Destroy Jamaica. Burn it down to the ground. Those of you who are tired of the killing, have you ever heard, growing up in Jamaica, have you ever heard the PMP LGBT plus criminal organization or any member of the hierarchy denouncing criminality? You won't hear that because that's them bread and butter. That's the only thing where them can tell black people and black youths and the black woman them to embrace criminality. Them not tell them says try to be an entrepreneur. They don't tell them try to be an inventor or try to make Jamaica better. As they have seen earlier, what they have done, they just put the murderers them on the pedestal at their conference earlier. That was in last year. These people have no respect for you, as black people. And they have say most of you are idiots and dummies. And say the Lord God there, the white man, how dare you to question the integrity of the white man? That is what these people are saying. The so-called PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization has turned Jamaica into a twisted stage where convicted murderers, convicted drug dealers, and gang leaders are not only celebrated but are treated as heroes. You will never hear them talk anything good about police. All them talk about a criminal and put them on pedestal. And we see the other day. So that's why we are telling you, say, this is all about the soul of Jamaica. So if you want to save your country, this is the year. Whether or not you want to believe it, there's no other time in the history of Jamaica where we're at this juncture. Their recent reference have developed into grotesque parades of lawlessness. High-ranking members of the PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization rubbing shoulders with convicted killers, showcasing them as victims of an unjust society and perpetrators of heinous crimes. So I want to say, what them do with Vibes Cartel, Sean Storm, Isaac Buchanan, you even see all the coke dealer, Buju Banton, them did have him last year. So all of the people them that these people are showcasing to the youths, these are not people that you want your children to emulate because these people are not good. The only thing good about them is the accident, they inhale and exhale. These are not good people. You don't want your children to be around them because or emulate them. Because these people, they're the epitome of evil. All they do is just breed evil and think and instigate wickedness against them own black people. Them not, they do not love Jamaica. Period. None of them. They don't love Jamaica. We have to save Jamaica from these people. So you can't be complacent. This is not the time. You have to plan 2025 and beyond. If you want a better Jamaica, you have to vote like your life depends on it. If not, you can't kiss Jamaica Tata. I heard one of your popular artists a complain that I want to name Spraga Benz. A complain about criminals. Yes, man. The same Spraga Benz a complain about criminals that shake down all people in a cashier park. Apparently, they had shake down one of his family member. And now he knows how it feels when criminals are taking over the communities. They want the whole people them to pay them taxes. And Spraga Benz is advocating for these killers to be killed because they are parasites. We have been saying that a long time. He's one of them who has contributed to the decadent behavior in Jamaica because it's a part of it. He's a debt merchant too. And you have to remember which party he's affiliated with. Anything to do with the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, I can tell you, it's nothing but death and destruction. That's all them promote. And anyone who can tell me something else, I really appreciate it. Because at my age, only two of us still alive. The others, all of them who are not in Mapen, they are at Calvary, Dovecat, and we're the next one, the new one name, Medares. Medares, boy, I may tell you. So these events shrouded in the rhetoric of reform are nothing more than dangerous public relations campaigns aimed at normalizing criminal behavior. It's an alarming precedent. Killers and thugs must live in a fear if lose them life, not the law-abiding citizens. So when a guy I go parade Dalvin, a big belly white guy from England, I go parade Danville Palmer, a guy will kill our people, innocent people, and because of his action, I'll even him uncle lose him life because of the things that he has done. Innocent people lose them life because of criminality. And then you have this big belly white man who come from England and normalize criminality in our society. The last man did that was Michael Manley, and see, Michael Manley legacy live on. Right now, every youth want to be a shatter. And most of the youth, them don't know so they are dead. They might either dead or go to the departure lounge. And prison, yes. So while all of these people think that they make it like say, a life of crime and criminality is something good, there's nothing good about it because you're violating people's rights. But yet you want your rights to be protected, but you don't respect the rights of others. So why we must respect your rights when you do not respect the rights of others? We don't believe in a that. We don't believe in a who is right. We believe in what is right. And we say again, Jamaica is at a crossroad. And we, as the law-abiding citizens, we cannot allow these people to destroy our country anymore. We have to make certain that these people don't get them levers on the government. Because any of them get them on it, Jamaica is over. I tell you that. Because these people are the epitome of evil. These people don't love Jamaica and the Jamaican people. They don't. These people do not love Jamaica and Jamaican people. All they care about is just power. They have never done anything to enhance the life of poor people. The only thing that they have done is to encourage them all to commit crimes. We are telling that. So if you want your child or your children to become criminals, then you know what to do. If you don't want that, if you don't want your children to become criminals, you have to vote. You have to vote this election for save Jamaica. When I speak with authority because I have experience. I have family, the number one brigadista, 2,500 people the PMP send go Cuba to train. The number one brigadista is yours truly, cousin. Yeah, my blood cousin. So that's why anytime you hear me talk about criminality and I'm a burn fire against people violating people's rights, it's because of the things that I have known growing up. You know, when I grew up as youth, some things you hear and some things you know you can't say it because a violation that are your family. You understand? So that's how it is. We just want back our country and we can't allow them people to get a whole light. So we see that we're this man now. That's only normalizing criminal behavior. You know, killers and thugs, drug dealers, rear admiral, even God. Them people not even fear God. And we have seen it. And the same people, same black people, them who claim to them love God, run with a white man. Mark Golden is not God. When time you die and depart this earth, Mark Golden is not the one who's going to judge you. Those of you who follow Mark Golden and follow him to hell. When a man I tell 2 man say happy anniversary, you don't know so that the man have nothing to do with God. We have to understand so who is white man. Those of you who know history, know the history, and know who are the original terrorists. And we said that without any apologies. No guy can't come tell me nothing else. A history we are talking about. The people that will go around the world and kill the most people and indoctrinate and use imperialism and colonization and take over people country, thief them culture and thief everything from them. These are not people who love any other race of people. But yet we see a black people in a Jamaica hug up a man. This man will have nothing to do with our country. And the man just come and say him born a Jamaica. And then you have Jamaican stupid people I repeat say, him say him born here, you know. You think you can say America and both say you're born here without you can provide evidence. Say you born here. Them run out of town. Deport you. If you're not here, have nowhere to go, them find somewhere to put you. If not, them even Senegal, Guantanamo Bay, go cool out until you figure out where where you want to go. So at the aim of this chaos is Mark Golden, the self-proclaimed savior. Yes, man. So him now, can you believe? So black people have this white man say, him a go save. Him a go save, you know. The same people, them, you know. 52 years ago, their parents or children, as yours truly. And then you have a man named Michael Manley who come say, he must save them. Them still live down the same here. Because them expect the government are going to make them rich. Because they're so dumb. Them don't know say them have to work hard to get themselves out of poverty. And them believing in this man, the self-proclaimed savior of the oppressed. But in reality, the orchestrator of a chilling descent into anarchy. Dubbed the rear admiral of lawlessness. That's the guy when named Isaac Buchanan. The golden intent on dismantling the very institutions designed to protect Jamaica. His track record included weakening law enforcement by demonizing the police force and hindering its ability to combat crime effectively. You never hear this big belly white man condemn criminality. He might always support them. I march with Danville Palmer and a man in that prison. And because I PMP LGBTQ plus cuddling up to the murderers them. That's why Danville Palmer out there and seen brother get deported now from America. So it's a family of criminals. Even our female brother will get deported from England have license gun and him a criminal. While they have law abiding citizen in Jamaica cannot access the same because them not have money for Greece, nobody and up a FLA. So the corruption is rampant in all facets of the Jamaican people's life. So Big Belly Mark Golden pandering to criminals by advocating for policies that undermine the justice system, such as a lenient sentencing and reduce accountability for our violent offenders. We can't have that. We have to be strict when it comes on to criminals. When a man got prison, him supposed to stay there and spend all his time. But when a man got prison, it's like a vacation. A man happy, and they must send you a picture. In the runway, like him the runway, as if he's a model, and sending back photograph to the outside world. Same in a prison and him happy. The man is supposed to die a prison and happy. Man supposed to die a prison and I live in a fear because them don't know what is going to come. Shielding allies with questionable past. You see what happened with Jail and Sylvia? That is his friend. So it is alleged that, them are rear admiral. So that's why I'm defend Jail and Sylvia. So it's the people, all of these people, it's their party, embracing the rear admiral behavior in Jamaica, because these people them not love or respect God, I saw it devastating, you know. Them not fear God. But yet you don't see any of them so-called righteous artists and none of them, you know, see them come out and condemn. Because guess what? The PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization, that is where God live. Anything with them say, breaking God's law, no, them are God. For them organization are God. And them say them love God. But ask them, which God them love? Mark Golden's ambition to make Jamaica a safe place for terrorists, criminals, and their enablers betray the trust of the people who demand safety and order. Instead, he has aligned himself with an agenda that prioritizes the comfort of criminals over the rights of law-abiding citizens. The PMP LGBTQ plus agenda, a distraction from crime. The inclusion of the LGBTQ plus in the PMP branding may be a strategic distraction designed to confuse and divert attention from their overt support of criminality. While advocating for LGBTQ plus rights, it's an essential aspect of a modern democracy. The PMP's conflation of this with criminal glorification is cynical and a manipulative ploy. By jumping these issues together, the PMP shields its true motives behind a smokescreen of inclusivity, making it difficult for critics to disentangle the legitimate from the corruptors. Mark Golden and the PMP LGBTQ plus agenda are creating a perfect storm for the proliferation of terrorism in Jamaica. Remember, say Jamaica, you know, is close to the United States of America, you know. Yes. So when these people are down, you know, advertising Jamaica as a terrorist paradise, if you remember, you know, when at their conference, you know, the people that these people parade up there, you know, it's nothing short of a terrorist paradise, you know, what they have done, you know. I show the world, you know, who they are. As them say, if somebody show you who they are, believe them, because them I show you that. Always a point in our life where you have them people, you know, have black people like dummy, and them not care. They don't care about the little average man down the road. If we want back Jamaica, we have a fight for it from now. This is the year for Jamaica. We can embrace no criminals, no one who support criminality, because criminals are the ones who have been creating chaos in our life. Every Jamaican, day and night, when you walk out, you always say, if you look out for these people, criminals, because you don't feel safe in your own home, in your own community, because of these people. And we have to fight. We have to fight for this. Jamaica is at a crossroad. Whether or not we want to believe it, we're at a serious juncture right now. And don't want to think that these people, they like us. They don't. All they care about is power. Me hear some people talk, say, boy, if Mark Golden born in England, what difference it make? It make a lot of difference. That goes to show you when you come on to nationality. As you know, so this is the same man, you know, the white man right there, named Jylan Silvera. That's the man another British citizen was in jail in Jamaica for murder for killing his wife, Melissa, was a Justice Melissa Silvera. Mark Golding, when Melissa was killed, he said that she died in her sleep. And based on information received and up to you, and you know that them go both ways. I PMP that, you know. Both ways. So them not care about the life of Melissa Silvera. Remember say a woman, you know, a foundation of every society, you know. When a man can kill him wife, and then you have a man who's a leader of a political party, I go defend the killer. I want the killer out. You know, say we in a problem. Big problem. And you have people just ignore them conscience. So upon a woman, man, why? So look, I look at your thumbnail now. So you have Mark Golding. So that's a Jylan Sylvia and him friend. Me, as a man, no man can take no picture with me. I have female on my head. After when I communicating in a telepathic way. I mean I try send and no man can try send no message to me. That is what Mark Golding want at the top. Him and the PMP. Remember, you know, they are the one that make calls on them phone and tell people say happy anniversary to two men. So they don't like what happened down at the bottom. But that is Melissa Silvera and Jylan Silvera and happier days. That was before him kill her. After she found out about that man up there, that black man. And look at the difference. The woman that has his children, he's not even that close to her as the man above. And that is what the PMP want your sons to do, because they are for the destruction of black people. Remember, you know, if you can do maths, you know, say nothing into nothing, you get nothing. You can't multiply. If you have a million and you multiply by zero, you're going to end up with zero. And yet you have these people who claim, say, them love Jamaica and them a patriot. And or them burn fire upon this and them burn fire upon that. And them don't burn fire upon anything that is righteous. Them defend a white man, say like him a God. As if in time, them when they depart this earth, Mark Golding is the one who's going to judge them. Not knowing that Mark Golding is taking them right to hell. That are the life for them hands. You, as black people, for live, ignore your conscience and burn fire upon God. Go right to hell with them. Because them not love God. If them love God, them not even fear God. These are people who don't fear God. As them say, if somebody tell you who they are, believe them. You better believe them. This man have no respect for God. As you can see, that are the man, you know. Jylan Silvera is who was a former PMP member of parliament. His wife shot her. Murder her in her sleep. And this big belly white man from England. Yes, tell the Jamaican people that the woman, she died in her sleep from a brain aneurysm. The Jamaican people them forget that the man lied to you. Simple thing like that. Even after the woman was killed, because he's in charge of the PP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, that even the condolences were sent out to the woman's family and friends. If it was for YouTubers, as yours truly, and the former Prime Minister PJ Patterson, This would be a murder that Giles and Sylvia get away with because he was able to corrupt Sergeant Dabney. As we tell you, anything when the PMP touch, say that disease of corruption pass on to them. Sergeant Dabney come from him country, good background, but no, just like Rowan James come from him country now St. Elizabeth, and them come a town and get themselves wind up in a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization and start support criminality. Everything to do with criminality, that is what the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization is all about, and nothing else. All these people, these breed criminals like chinks. One of the worst thing we have to the Jamaican people are the propaganda machines in Jamaica from the 1970s to present. At the time, it used to be JBC. Fast out to 2024, JBC now is TVJ and CVM. We don't have a TV station in Jamaica that defend decency, honesty, truthfulness, and patriotism. You have to understand, when it comes to patriotism, the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, them not in a that. Them are only patriots when they come on to PMP. They are not Jamaicans, even though they were born there. As a people, we have to continue to fight for this. This is the year now. Make or break Jamaica. Fighting for Jamaica's future is all hands on deck. Remember, Jamaica stands at a crossroads. Do we allow the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization and its rear admiral cheerleader Mark Golan to steer the nation into lawlessness? Or do we rise up and make sure that this does not manifest or happen in our country? Where they normalize up is down and down is up, and wrong is right and right is double right. The all is right. We don't have to protest. Must intensify. All we do it is through the ballot. We need to send him back from where he came. Send him right back to England. That's the only way we can save Jamaica. We don't say the people them in a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organized. They are not Jamaicans, they are PMP. I am from a PMP community. They never see themselves as Jamaicans. They're just like the Maroons. They see themselves as comrades and socialists and PMP. Communities must unite to reject the glorification of criminals and reaffirm the values of decency, law, and order. As I was talking with an elderly person who live in a Kingston 11 area, and the person complain and say, supporter, you know, really that easy enough to report crime, because some of the police them, the man the same criminal are friends. How do we fix that? By making sure that once there's a policeman who's suspected of involving some form of criminality, yeah man, you bug him phone and hear who attack to, and then you use the evidence and kick him out of the police force. And embarrass him publicly. When the world knows him corrupt. To expose the truth about what is happening under Golding's leadership, and the government have to seek international allies. Must be engaged. So hopefully, say with in a 17 years from now, Donald Trump will become the 47th president. And Biden, them can do everything to expose the truth and what is happening under Mark Golding leadership in the PMP. Jamaica cannot afford to be turned into a terrorist paradise. The time for action is now. The world is watching, and history will judge us. And whatever, we stood firm or succumb to the forces of chaos. So those of you who love Jamaica, we have to fight for it. If we don't, we are gonna lose it. Don't watch the noise. That's one Jamaica, you know. That's all we have to do. Fight for one Jamaica. There's not two, there's not three, one. And we can't allow this guy who come from Britain to finish smash up a little country by normalizing criminality. Jamaica one of the nicest place on earth. Whether or not you want to believe it. Jamaica is a gem, a paradise in the Caribbean. But them turn it in a criminal paradise courtesy of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. And if you people do not believe me, just look at the communities them where all of the killings got happening. The mass shooting, we have 5, 7 people I get killed. Them say them no want to break the record for 14. But we see the police doing an excellent job. Mark Golden is not one of us. White people are not God. Black people need to stop worship white people. Low self-esteem, killing black people, as if the white man, as if his life have more value than yours. Mark Golden is not a Jamaican. Mark Golden don't tell him love you. All Mark Golden care about himself. Him just want one shot for control Jamaica. I remember, it's Mark Golden call the black man them boy, you know, little boy. Why you think him do it? And feel him superior to black people. We never see a big belly white man, a fastest runner in the world. It's always a black man. White man can't run. Always remember that. The only thing them good at, remember I said they are the author of criminality and terrorism. There's no other race in the history of this world to come up the amount of atrocity and genocide that they have done. The only white man we know love Jamaica was a man named Edward Seaga, because he want us to be safe. Michael Manley never love we. All Michael Manley love was power. It never take more long to see through him and the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Once when you are tell an ex-black man to kill the other black man because his philosophy is totally different from yours, you are a dangerous and an evil person. That should not be. All of us were on these plantations. I am my ancestors, and my ancestors are me. So when this man I tell black people say him family, him ancestors came to Jamaica as slave, I show you say the traitors them we have within. Yeah, we have the traitors them with him. And these people, them not afraid. They're not afraid to betray we because them know say the black people them that them have around them know that these black people are all traitors. And them know say these black people, them not love Jamaica. You don't expect a man like a Mota Baruka would I tell the black people them say a lie him a tell. No, white people not come to Jamaica as slave. Lie Mark Gold a tell. But you see, because them licky and them not a patriotism, them don't know what patriotism mean. Them feel say being PMP that mean a patriot. But you're not patriot to Jamaica, you're a patriot to the PMP criminal organization, which is not doing anything good for black people. We love Jamaica. And we just want the people to know that this is not the time to get complacent. This is not the time to talk about say, oh, boy, me not voting because me have what may I get. Voting have nothing to do with what you get. It's a policy that steer the country. If you don't want Jamaica to become 80, then you know stay back and allow this big belly white man who come from Jamaica, We don't even see government passing the law to make sure, just like in America, you cannot be a naturalized citizen and become a president of the United States. You have to be born in America. So that the Jamaican government must do before the next election. Put it up. You have to be born Jamaican. And along with that, they have to change the constitution. And I'm accept somebody born in Jamaica. Your roots are in Jamaica. Yes, you have to come right back from slavery. And we can trace your ancestral. We can look on your ancestry map. Nobody now can you come to Jamaica and have a picnic. No. Or else in a 20 years, just remember, in a 20 years from now, we're going to have a Chinese prime minister. And that's when black people are going to realize that they lose power. I see them criminals, them, they commit them crime. When you have a Chinese prime minister and a Chinese commissioner of police, a Chinese head of the Jamaica Defense Force, the most important ministries, them, yeah. You see, all of you black men, we have gangs. 20 years from now, I might not be here, as well as still might be here to witness it when them going to cleanse Jamaica. Because you have to understand it. You see, then Jamaica won't have any ties to America or Britain because it's gonna be a Chinese prime minister. And him not got want nothing to do with America. I transfer Jamaica to a Chinese outpost. Then because lawmakers and lawmakers and lawbreakers, them licky, even you see them criminals them time them all realize it's too late. Can't come back. So all of you have to find work. A majority of you're going to be a genocide in a Jamaica. Because the Chinese going to make sure. You don't know the Chinese them, Them hey, when I talk about lying, the Chinese them, I must the PMP them learn it from. If you say don't believe a lying eyes. I must say if you know about tenement square, that's something where erase some China. It has nothing to do with Chinese in a Chinese lexicon. They make sure the people them ignorant to it. Remember, this woman where you look right here, she's part of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Jamaican for Justice have nothing to do with justice. Jamaican for Justice is for the PMP LGBTQ plus criminals who murder people in Jamaica to defend them. Not to defend you, the law abiding citizen. They don't care about your human rights. They never have and never will. All them care about are power and what's in it for me. This is one of the most dangerous black woman. She have a gun, She a part of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. She always have a gun in her bag. And said to them, anything a criminal want them can get. I don't have a problem with that. So the PMP criminal organization, creator of criminals in Jamaica, are defending them publicly and are not fazed by public outrage. That was a video that we did when that woman, where you look to the upper left, her name is Donna Scott Motley. She's the modern day Delilah. The only thing good that come out of that woman is the oxygen that she inhale and exhale. That woman is the epitome of an unconscionable liar. Nothing that comes out of that woman's mouth is truth. That's the mere fact that she have life. She live a life of a liar. These people don't love black people. Beside her, that is Danville Palmer. That is Mark Golding right hand man. Danville Palmer is not is not a role model. He's a murderer. And him, yes, Mark Golding, in a 2023, Labor Day, marched from my community that where I was born and raised, Jonestown, down to Town. claiming that him want peace with this man. In which the man wasn't even in Anatown in the America. Blacky boy. Yeah, man, and him girlfriend a big police officer in a Jamaica Constabulary Force. So he's covered by the police with intelligence at Kingston West Division. Money run things in a Jamaica. Everywhere go corruption, rife. Oh, nobody could buy me when me in a police force. I'm glad I almost stay. As we know, say Jamaican people, you know, take nothing for them, sell them soul. Decency and ethics. It no matter anymore. These people are traitors to us as a people. Michael Abrams. Them people don't love black people. Name Dr. Michael Abrams. Him no love black people. Up to now, you don't hear one of these people come out and say, the white man, you say you're born in Jamaica. Show your birth certificate. No. And the whole of them knows them not born in Jamaica. He's not a Jamaican. This man have nothing to do with Jamaica. The man is an imposter. The man a fraud. The man is a liar. And people just gravitate and gobble it up. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Oh, we reach a point there. We have a white man in our country. When I have no connection to Jamaica, say want to be prime minister. You know, black people, no one in the media. I will tell you, Dr. Michael Abrams, Daniel Archer, Fratimount Muta Baruka, Frowns Sizzler, I man them say him no beard. After days in no beard, me never know so Rasta no beard. And him no wear, say him no wear Babylon cologne. Him no know so cologne, Africa it start from. The Isles. I see her the Dean Jackson, one of the biggest traitor to black people. This man claims say him a Jamaican. Although him expressed the other day, say him, I grew up here in Jamaica, and not one of them comes out and support the Jamaican people and tell them, say, hey, look here, we need to see this man birth certificate. Kind of born here. Him not in a schoolmate. No one come out and say, hey, I went to school with Mark Golding. None. That is my birth certificate right there. True, I was born in a Jonestown. That are mine. The reason why certain information that I have redacted is to protect yours truly information. As you see, you see what mother address to show we live, and you see what I was born. So what's so hard for a man who saying born at Jamaica? Owners a fool. Why him can't put up for him birth certificate? Him not have none. I tell you already. The man visit America and him I-94 when him fill out, there's a thing called Freedom of Information Act. So you have a guy, I don't even know him, I don't know anything about this guy, but he's on YouTube and all him do I tell people lie. And about that what I have said about Mark Golding and I-94 and England. There's nothing like that. Black people, this I tell life here, white man, You understand? Black people. I tell life here, white man. Say the white man born in Jamaica. When him, the white man, knows that him not born there either. He's not a Jamaican. But because them licky and everything, it's all about what's in it for me. Them not love Jamaica. These are the same people in time. Marcus Garvey was alive. Them sell out Marcus Garvey for rice and peas. I same thing them a do right now to Jamaica. Sell out Jamaica for 5 grand. 5 grand. How them do it? Oh God, he knows. God, them not no conscience. Them not no loyalty or patriotism. They don't know what patriotism is all about. So even when the man even tell them, say him not born in Jamaica, him gonna grow up there, media is still silent. The only thing that this man wants, is for Jamaica is to get the levers of government, for finish this stride. It's like how you see 80, and that him want Jamaica to be, And once him do that, him a get the greatest reward from the British them. You think somebody did have you on a bandage, you think that they are going to do anything to uplift you? The British are doing everything to make sure that Jamaica never become a first world country. Is it just like how Singapore used Jamaica's blueprint and become a first world country? They, the British them don't want that. So they are making sure that they are doing everything in their powers to make sure that we, as a people, self-destruct. So that is the reason why this big belly white man from England and to that guy, we are fool him audience, but say I tell lie, say oh in either the way that him edit the thumbnail. So that's why we are show the world. So this is the thumbnail, the one where you hide and about say P and can't spell England. At no time, nobody ever said nothing about Mark Golden sign up the paper, high 94 for God Britain. Your your mouth is filthy and you don't know you're destined for hell, But most of feel like say anytime your life leave the body, that's the end of it. Your soul of your account. And most of going suffer before you dead because you're wicked. You don't have no God in your heart. You don't believe in a truthfulness and decency. The government must put things in place to make sure say this man go back to him country. The Jamaica Labour Party them are the majority in the parliament. Pass a law to make sure say no one not only say they're not born in Jamaica, but make certain say them ancestor connect right back to Jamaica. No Trojan ass. What we tell you in 20 years from now, or the Chinese them are control Jamaica, whether or not you want to believe it. All them people I want to do is become criminals. This man claims say him love Jamaica. He don't love Jamaica. Not one iota. Look on these people. All of them, when you look on right now, they are all cowards. Lisa Anna, Michael Phillips, and Damian Crawford. They are all cowards. They fear to put country over party. Who is in the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization willing to defend Jamaica? Not one of them. As them, they see themselves as Jamaicans. They see themselves as comrades. Comrades never see Jamaica as their country. I PMP them regard as them country. They don't have no affinity for Jamaica. They don't love Jamaica. They love them party and them party leader. And the white man, the big belly white man, is God to them. Not even God who created heaven and earth. Them respect. And the same white man I tell two black men say happy anniversary. And we know say like poles repel and unlike poles attract. I tell two black men we play a sword fight. Happy anniversary. I wanna hear none of artists them. No big artists them come out and say no journalists, no church. That team church we have a Jamaica no more. Nothing. The institution them used to hold things together. PMP them dismantle it. All of them and put them to sleep forever. Not even the church. So people, the only way to save Jamaica from these people, from these traitors, and Big Belly Mark Golden, is to make sure say you don't sleep. You can't sleep on this guy. Stop talk about when me vote, me don't get nothing. What you want to get? and your country you vote for. You determine what direction you want your country. You want your country to become a terrorist paradise. It's already a criminal's paradise. You want to turn back the clock. You don't want the clock to move forward. That's what this big belly white man wants. Parade with known murderers. Put convicted drug dealers, convicted killers, and the likes on the PMP LGBT plus conference. Tell the world, say, we are open for business and terrorists are welcome. Remember, Jamaica is a transit point, to United States of America. How many criminals from Jamaica that escape law enforcement by taking a boat and end up in the United States of America? I same thing the terrorists them can do. Right here in Jamaica and reach in America and commit any crime when they want to. You could have been somewhere else, but you choose to spend the time with us and we appreciate it. Those of you, if you want to call in to chime in and give us, your take. Heal up, Sister Andra. Yeah, if you want to call in, and Happy New Year to all of you. Yes, man. Big up, Andra Chin. Happy New Year to all of you. Those of you, if you want to call, you can call in, and we can have a conversation about 2025 and beyond because this year are the critical year for Jamaica. This year is the year we are determining which direction we want the island to go. Whether we want it to go east, west, north, or south. If you expect the PMP is going to solve crime, it's like giving an arsonist gas for out a fire. And gas can't out fire. All it's going to do is blaze, increase it. The PMP, they are the architect and the importer of terrorism to our country. They have done everything that is evil against our own people. When them tell us that Michael Manley are greatest, I can tell you, as I used to born and grow in my belly, I beast. Where everything started. If Michael Manley did love we as black people, Michael Manley would send my cousins them and some of your brothers, your sister to Cuba to come back and terrorize our own people. Michael Manley never loved Jamaican people. And look who Michael Manley have on a pedestal. It was Burry Boy and Fedamap, two known murderers. These are the men who commit the genocides for the PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization. The worst communities them in a Jamaica are PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization community. So when you from a PMP community, as a young man, 98% of you are destined for prison or the departure lounge. Some of you, if you know what departure lounge mean, that mean madden, dead house, straight to the sea, I got dead. Only two of us from my age group is alive. And then the police why them dead. And the PMP philosophy where them impose and impart it to them, make them feel like criminality or something to violate other people's human rights or something good. And then the good people them. They are not telling their children, none of their children are not committing any crimes. It's you, the same poor man and poor woman. And who you kill? You kill the same black brother and black sisters. When a man take up all a gun and kill all a woman, they're pregnant. That for sure you say that. He might tell us him now nah, heart, him cold. What is that? It goes to show you, man, that these people have no love for black people. That man want to turn Jamaica in a terrorist paradise. If you look in there, you see him, Danville Palmer. You know, and nothing else than what you see him parade. At the conference, Vibes Cartel. Man, right now, we can't tell you. Vibes Cartel unleash the jackals in my community when we used to live at Waterford. And then Vibes Cartel I call Waterford. Get up. Waterford are not ghetto. Waterford is a middle class community for people who want to uplift themselves and come out of a criminal mindset. But them same one, they migrate with them pitney and bring the same dirty behavior from Concrete Jungle and Jonestown. Come out Waterford and mash it up. So no guy can't tell me nothing about these people. So unless you love the criminality, you can't ride with them. I don't like it. I don't like criminals. Me no revere no man about them and a bad man. I violate people's rights. When you talk about bad police now, yeah, like Tom Levine, Trinity, Isaiah Leng, Denzel Boyd, Tony with Calvin Benjamin, although Benji lie still though, you know. Bad police back in the days, but him lie. Benji said, yeah, I saw him stay. Boy, I don't know how him lie, so do you know. If Benji charge you for anything, you better go to court and plead guilty. Although him not have that power anymore. But boy, a good police otherwise, you know, but me don't know how them do it. These are the people them put on a pedestal. See a Rasta man there, a man there, a big cokeys. You see him on video. A tears coke. Those of you who know cocaine the people, man. Cocaine is something that destroy most of black people, mash up black people family. And this is one of the man with the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. I tell we youths them say, to be like Buju Banton. And then you have that fraud about Rasta man when you motor baroque, a fraud like a $3 bill. Pretend like they said this man, him too, him has some deity. And I see him thing him do. Vibes cartel. Jamaicans discover that Rastafarians are not patriots, but rather align with the PMP criminals them. So if you want your children, your sons to be criminals, you just hug up the PMP. But we can tell you, you're going to live to regret it. Everything that them have in Jamaica is to destroy black people. The PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Just look at all of the organization them have. JLP, them not have them. The JLP don't have no human rights, body, or agency. So them a protect the criminals. The PMP have it because them create it as them in a create the Klansman gang in a Spanish town. And then them have corrupt police officers who protect them. We can't continue to live like this, man. We have to, these people are threat. These people are enemies of us as black people. Jamaican for Justice is a arm of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Look at the fist right there. Look at the fist. We say I leave now dummy. All people claim say them are detective. I dummy them. Never know say Jamaican for Justice is a part of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. When I did tell police them that in the 90s, they say, oh, you don't know nothing, man, I can't think that you attack. You sound like you're a labor right, sir. Say mean labor right. So if you speak truth, anytime you speak truth to the Jamaican people, them, you're a labor right. So PMP alone, who knows that they are liars. And I experienced it for myself with them too. Even right here on YouTube. But at 2025, that's to say another day. But Jamaican people and those in our diaspora, I don't know if most of you, if you have seen what happened in Trinidad and Tobago, they have declared a state of emergency there. And you know who are behind it, who caused it. It's a Jamaican. It's a Jamaican in the people them country and cause that. Yeah. And you have some people. Boy, only Jamaica alone have criminals. We don't care about nobody else. We don't do no comparison about no what about. That's all the PMP do. Is create criminals like chinks and export them to other people country and cause problems. Them don't encourage these people to read and make them know say education and the way out. 99% of the population of Jamaica are black people. And the only thing that black people own in Jamaica are gangs, whilst the white man are him own the banks and the corporation and the business them. You go through security guards, prevention in his office. While you, as a black man, yeah man, you have access to a large cache of guns. Cause them not a problem for give you a gun for you kill black people. That's all them clear about. So before we leave, I want to wish all of you a happy new year and thanks for sticking with the Jamaica Young Police channel. I want to our gratitude to Sister Chin, yeah man, Andra Chin. And for those of you who have been waiting, for us to come on today, we thanks for your patience. Yeah, enjoy the show, Andra. Yes. So I would say the only thing that we can do as a people are we have to protect Jamaica and protect it from these people. Yes, man, them are the worst kind of demons, man. I want God's earth, a woman, the man murder them woman. Them know, 'cause him tell him, But the reason why Mark Golding, come out, you see, because them know, say, you see, the PMP is a criminal organization, and they know that, that the voters, them not care, because you have to understand, these are the worst of the worst in a society, It's just like the people that go on the Vibes Cartel show. If you notice, if you notice, Busta Rhyme was there, and this Busta Rhyme have the same philosophy as the Vibes Cartel. So, and the worst attend him show. You never see no Rihanna there, you never see no Kanye West. And if you notice, most of you don't even realize Kanye West never show up at one of Buju Banton show. And we tell you a reason for that. Because him not have nothing to do with him. The PMP are the worst thing we ever happened to Jamaica. No other, no, I've never heard anyone say it publicly, but I am saying it. And then first me I say it, the worst thing, Michael Manley philosophy, the worst thing we happened to Jamaican people. We're a set of lazy, bums, licky, beggy, wanga got. And now see them, it's not, now see what them a do? Man, I take off all them, man, I show all them body. Man, dress as like freak. And we have to save Jamaica. We have to save it from, and we can't make them people get the levers of government. I'm not care what a guy want to say. I just talk from what me experience, what I have seen, heard, and felt. I repeat myself again, a 2 away from my age group of life. Two, I don't know miracle why we're here. The others them are the same philosophy and culture them imparted to them. Criminality. And them fees ain't going to make them rich and live better because I want them hear about Borough Boy and fed them up. Even when some of them pick up the gun and venture down that path, people tell them say it's two places ahead, Them fees say them can defy statistic. Them tell them say them going to the departure lounge or prison. Them say no, me different. And then the moment when them realize that them not different, too late. And we have to save Jamaica from these people. See man there, that man come from England, Him come now for put the dagger in the heart of Jamaica for done it. Turn it in a terrorist paradise. Remember, I say PMP LGBTQ plus conference, was advertised worldwide. You think the people in the Middle East, see? Remember, I said the United States of America is very close to Jamaica, so Jamaica is a transshipment point. The same way as Jamaicans wanted and can find them way in America. As a money, Even like people them in other country will help criminals to go through to navigate and give them pass through their country to come to America. I'm sure it's on a patriot. The patriots don't exist. And money. So those who are patriots, people look at you as different and look on you in a different light. That's why people call me fool. Because when time the man who was responsible for the killing of Rifle and one of the British, Cool Breeze, Richie Breeze, and the man said, boy, he will give me £10,000 for me take down the video and give him exclusive rights. I'm tell him, say, no, more of the people them for no. Why amount of people will call me and cuss me or me a fool. Whoever give me £10,000 before and the man I give you £10,000 to take down one video and you not take it. I say you're a fool policeman. That's why you now go have nothing. You see at the end of the day, substance over hype. So once you have certain standard, people look on you different. So no guy can't buy me. When people within the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization and them try to recruit me by making all kind of offers, people them want me know. When I call them name and the reason why I not do it because I don't want and I say I want to embarrass. I don't want to embarrass them because these are some of the people them will make me know say Mark Golding and a Jamaican. Some wouldn't do that. These are the same people them will tell me. Say, Chris, Mark Golding are England in born in him, one a Jamaican. And up to this day, in the rounds after we come out and tell the world, him go up on TV and tell people, oh, in born a Jamaica. Them hate we, in case you don't know. You will see Mark Golding, him and Paul Burke the other day, telling us all over the phone, them discuss yours truly. Oh, them can't get for kill me. See him, this big belly white guy, him and Paul Burke. Conversation about me if you kill me. Because me a thorn in them sight. I me a informer, me a do everything to mash up the PMP, to build, rebuild. If you born a Jamaica, you can't born two place, Mark Golding. You can't born two place. A one place, me know say a human being born. And my birth certificate, where's yours? Where is yours? And then them have them the mouthpiece and them propaganda machine out there. Oh, the labor right them not care where Mark Golding born. I'm going to one little blogger. A little blogger boy. Long time in my labor right. I never born PMP or labor. I born as Christopher Porter. I'm a Jamaican by birth. I claim the Jamaican ancestry. Me a Jamaican. This is my birth certificate. See all the paper pin upon it. You can show all the little red piece. My mother register me. I'm not born on a Jubilee. I'm born a home. Jonestown. Belly of the beast. That's how we a criminality born. That's how we a baby. And the baby become an adult and have children island wide. We want to eradicate the baby. And we want to eradicate the baby. And the baby children them. We want Jamaica before the baby did born. The PMP LGBTQ plus give us this child. And see child where child. I've picked me all over. We need what Jamaica. We have to save it from this big belly white man from England. The first white man them give us was Michael Manley. We're born in England. Nobody be fool. Michael Manley never born in Jamaica. Him never born in Jamaica, but because at the time when him a run, say Edward Sierra and the labor right them, they were too nice. Him not hit back. And tell the Jamaican people say Michael Manley England him come from. But at the time, them never care. Edward Siaga and the GLP, they think that the Jamaican people are ethical and honest and thinkers, not knowing that these people are organic robots. They are sheep. You tell them anything. Seem like, oh, from 1986, I remember when I go high school, the first time, I remember when them kill a girl named Diane Smith in 1983. Them time me I go high school. So pass Canton Spring Market for go to school. The girl from Immaculate. Never hear Darrell Vaz name called. Not once, not twice, no time. As Darrell Vaz I run for councillor of Barbican, you hear say him kill Diane Smith. They had spoken to Dadrick Henry, who passed away, and Arthur Farbs. Bigger Ford was them team leader. The three men. I remember them time I a young youth I go to school in the 80s. Criminal talk. We can tell you. At the time, the first time the only thing we hear about, apart from us, a bigger for that bad police, we know some have coke base at Grand Spend. Same place in the bus terminus at the market, a Constant Spring. We hear that from where I got, yeah, got youth, I got school. Whenever you hear Darrell Vaz, name called about no rape and no murders. 86 as him a run. That's why we tell you say PNP are some dangerous people. Yeah, youth them time they go high school. And we hear now say him kill the girl. And I see him, boy them, and right there say, constant most PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. People them used to hang out there and have them style and all of them thing there. And them see him one say, lie them a tell upon Darrell Vaz. And for decades, right up to 2024, that time it stopped because Darrell Vaz finally, if he sue a careless PMP LGBTQ plus man, lob him out, and name Dr. Dayton Campbell. I saw them stay, Them believe say the world, without them the world don't move on. And tell that half-full lie on the man. Say Darrell Vaz rape and kill Diane Smith. And at the time when Diane Smith died, was raped and killed, Darrell Vaz was in the United States of America. I can't go on and tell you about these people. Just like how them tell you. For decades, them tell the Jamaican people, say labor right them burn down eventide. And the labor rights them so laid back, I expect the Jamaican people them to have sense. Not knowing the majority of them are organic robot. Because them don't read and them don't decipher things and try and understand the intricacy of things until yours truly come out and tell them and call the name of the men them, we burn it down and kill the people them. One of them are my mother's schoolmate, my mother friend. I'm not a traitor to no guy. Me never sign an allegiance to no guy. Him dead. George Spang, still alive. And some people I say, boy, oh, yeah, try to protect him. As we tell you already, our job over here is to save life. Why we if see someone knows somebody want to kill somebody? And and that's not our job. Our job is to make the people them know. We not gonna know say you them are plan to kill you away, shut up. I go talk and make you know. So you for doing necessary. Just like how we make him know. Him and Peter Metro, Rick Dick, El Ben, say them are kill him. And then you have two boys now who say them are kill for him son with a Pegasus. But that even no video about that and them thing. So you have to understand everything me I tell you. Everything that I'm telling you people. I talk from memory and I tell you the truth. Yeah. One of the eventide killer, Spurline, him dead. Yeah man, Spurline come on my even with yard of Waterford. And him used to have a 45 handgun. I tell you that. Them telling me a youth. Spurline and my mother and my father are friend. Me and him are a friend. Just like how Oni and Carlos, you understand? Them in a bad man too. I know all kind of people growing up. Sometimes I tell you things, I tell you just from my experience, what I have seen, heard, and felt. The only way to take back Jamaica, we have to make certain that these people, we don't make this big Billy white man. take over our country. Cause England send him there for finish destroy our people. Just remember that. Mark Golding, none of black people. Yes. Mark Golding, none of black people. I wonder if the Andrew Thomas I know are the one named Pocky. But yeah, thanks again, Sister Andra Chin. Big up yourself. And to all of you who are, on the Jamaica Young Police live. Yeah, man, we give thanks, for those of you. Yeah, man, bless up the man Mark Stewart. Marvin Reed. Yeah, man. And say today I was talking to somebody about him. And you're surprised, who have him. Yeah. And I can't tell you this, what him name? Damien, Skylar. I'm going to educate you about something. Both of them are not the same. That's how that's the other myth that the PMP I try to tell you and others. Both political parties not the same, my friend. PMP is the importer of terrorism to Jamaica. And them send 2,500 young men to train in Cuba and return to Jamaica and unleash violence on our own people. The labor rights were forced. If you have your house and a man want come in at your house, come take it over and him I use gun. You can't use knife, you have to have gun too. And them force the people them at Tivoli Gardens and Rima if you have gun. And them that M4 of them did have M14. I peep them from my community. And them did have the M16 them. Both parties not the same. Edward Seaga never sent a single man to the United States of America to train in a terrorism. Michael Manley did that. So you don't come here with your lies. But both of them are the same. Both of them is not the same. Right now, you see the labor right. You see the Prime Minister denounce criminality. The Prime Minister denounce criminality. If I Prime Minister, it's hey, you see, hey, when the people seem like that's how I have short memory and them thing there. You remember we remember in time when the woman named Dana Scott Matley and what woman look like Duppy, one black woman look like Duppy, and she was there and defend the murderer of them. I said, boy, oh, if you give them 50 years, Dana Scott Matley, it depend on the channel. Are we at the Jamaica Young Police channel? No favorite blogger never take it up. Are we every day we depend on it? Cause we are say wait, them people not love black people because them know say I feed them people them with feed them philosophy. A murder, I kill Jamaican people. And then now you have one brother now in a Labour Party when in Delroy Chuck. I just since of late because I don't know, I must see Prime Minister ready riot act to him. You understand? What them I tell people say, them want 8 to 12 years to murder. And parole, second chance. A liberal thinking that just like in the blue state them in America. In a red state them in America, you can't kill nobody. And boy, you are getting a second chance at life. That's a madness. You encourage people to kill other people. And that them do up in New York. In a California, they don't do it still, they make it you get life and life mean life. Everything have to do with the mindset. So anybody I come tell about say boy, about both political party I see him. Tell them say me say I like them I tell. When me I grew up on them thing, nobody from Rima so nobody in a ball and I say no Rima man I come. You understand? And if you run towards Crash Road, and we always a go down there. Everybody used to live together as one. And you small and them people there, and Tony Spalding say, oh, you're not labor right enough to be friend. Labor right and police are enemy of PMP people. When me I grew up, I first thing that me know, what them tell you, every police said that I have a labor right. You understand? We can't make this big belly white guy take over our country and turn it into a terrorist paradise. Andrew Holmes born in Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican. Mark Gold a British citizen. We don't want nothing to do with England. Them enslave our ancestors. And that's how we reach in a Jamaica. The only thing the black man own in a Jamaica, and that's how a white man do. That's the only thing when Michael man and him legacy live on is turn the black man them in a criminal, give them guns. And with the guns by killing people, you get bike, CB 100 and big head. Bikes. A man feels end up on the top of the road. He might kill him own brother and sister for what? You understand? The PMP, LGBT, all the PMP know for these create criminals and breed them like chinks. The only good thing about the PMP are the accident with them bring. Them lie, nothing lies like them. Anything when me, any press release a PMP release, even my police may never believe. Because I know say a lie them I tell. Them a liar. Them not believe in the truth. If they speak truth, them are dead. You know, say anytime a Jamaican speak the truth, them tell us say you're labor right. Because them know some way people them are labor right have ethics and decency in them. Them not have none. And they not no respect for the rule of law. And they don't respect the rights of other people. If we want a Jamaica, we have to start to take it back from them. Make certain say. Don't make them see in their willingness. Don't give them levers of government. You see what them do? You have a woman named Angela Brownberg, a fear father named Tony Brown, him and one of them kill Ted Ogilvy. She a member of parliament. Show me where else in the world where you have a man who commit murder, kill a government official, and then his daughter pass legislation. You must say legislation have to do with law, for curtail criminality. Where that happen? In a Jamaica. Then you have a next man now named Danai Williams. We kill a judge. Him send Trevor Bennett and Luke Campbell go kill them. Me not tell you about no allege. And we can go deep about that. When me talk with authority and me talk because me know what me I say. I don't know if you understand. And then now you have film data now and run for member of parliament. So that goes to show you what these people are all about. Criminality and violating other people's human rights. Right now you don't have no cloud them up data in a Labour Right Party. Have not as no official. You don't have no Jim Brown data in a Labour Party. And I can go on and on. Zeke's our brother when a member of parliament at one point in time, out by Central, the CMC where then you run it weights, and the Zeke brother did one that win the seat there. You know, the PMP make big deal between Zeke's and him brother. Figure run it weights. Him get millions. And whose pocket that money come out of? Taxpayers' coffers. You know that big belly white guy get a hole pan Jamaica, done with done. Just like how I can show my birth certificate. Yeah, him no born here. Him no born here. Man, they are foreigner, man. No, them not on the brain, Remember, say them PMP, people that may I tell you, say, most are, you see people from PMP community, this is how them thinking, they are sheep, You can't give them pies if you drink, What may I talk about, say poison, anything to do with poison, you see them put like a dopey on it, skull, and show you, say, boy, it's dangerous. And then we see back with the poison sign on it, I mark poison. And the PMP can throw the same poison in a glass and tell them, say, you drink it. And when you drink it, somebody in a crowd that got dead. Common sense tell us if you drink the poison, you got dead. But them not see it that way there, because them not have none. Because them tell them already say, no, when them drink it, as somebody else got dead. Them all drink it. Yeah, tell you that. I saw them stay. Them not with dummy. A people them we can't think. Them not no head according to the artists. Them not no head. Even when them see truth, them call it lies. because they are liars. That's how they were cultured, nurtured, domesticated, and socialized in these communities. And we just tell you the truth. Who remember a few years ago, little girl from Meadowbrook High School, we live in a concrete, we live in a jungle. She's 17. And boy, I look her, gun boy, I look her, and she say, no. And the mother say, no, my daughter don't want a gunman and them thing there. The boy kill her and shot her sister, shoot her because he couldn't get to sleep with her. A Mark Golding constituency. You see Mark Golding to come out and burn fire upon the boy will do it? No. And the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, go in a concrete jungle, go visit the family and help them to move out. Him never do nothing for them. Because him not care about people, you know, him care about a gunman and power. So because the boy couldn't get for rape the little girl, him kill her. In my days that couldn't happen. Cause that boy, before that day done, the boy who killed that little girl would have been in a Cali Smith Drive, gully, with a cardboard chain on him neck. That's how it going on. And them same one we tell us, say, boy, oh, we don't support this, we don't support that. Them anything goes when they come on to the PMP. I'll be telling you already, I tell you again, the only thing when the PMP know produce is criminals. Like chinks. Those of you who have good memory, I remember in time Michael Manley took over from Edward Siaga. Just remember how many business collapse and have to run out of Jamaica. We used to make tire one place named Goodyear. PMP make them run out of town. We used to have a place named Free Zone. You know how many women work a free zone and buy houses and them things and gonna pay their mortgage. PMP make that lock down. But the same people then still vote for them same way. Cause them I tell them say them I give them pie in the sky and all kind of thing. Cause them know say no cure what happen. These are people who have Stockholm syndrome. So as I said before, and I say again, these are the people who can't think. Them not have no head. As me tell you already, and me say it again. You can't get them poison and tell them somebody else are dead. Yeah, man. Bless up to each and every one. And thanks for being here. So tomorrow, yeah, man, tomorrow at 7, we tune in tomorrow. And thanks again, sister Andra Chin, for your contribution to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Real lies because the PMP them are some real devil. Then when I don't tell you that already, man, we tell you that already in a curling. Yeah, man, we tell you PMP them, the only thing they know for do is breed, is criminal. You understand? The only good thing about the PMP them are the oxygen when them inhale and exhale. All them know for do is create criminals. That's it. They don't know if create jobs. The ones that were educated are because of them background. And they are the same one who educated, but them not encourage the same youth them from the communities where them represent to educate themselves. All them are every time I go and go on a Jonestown or Concrete Jungle, they done them in visiting. I know, many people he met dead because I try to create a one jungle. You want to turn jungle in a Tivoli Gardens. Before I try encourage the youth them, with computers, all kind of things for expand them brain. Instead they have plan with Rick Dick for create a one jungle. And because George Pang say no night them want to kill George Pang and Peter Metro. And Peter Metro they bought long before Rick Dick. Before Rick Dick. But Rick Dick that come from Jonestown or can correct how them come from. And him and a boy named 90. Them want one jungle and Mark Golding. I support it. Big belly white man from England. And the next thing, I'm telling people them say, oh, a two man, can play sword fight and nothing wrong with that. I'm not fear God. Remember, say white people enslaved black people for decades and centuries. For decades, for past 52 years, you see him PMP and them enslaved black people in Jamaica for 1972. Of them mind. You understand? If you as a decent Jamaican, No, no UCU. You have to be a shatter, a killer, a drugs dealer, rear admiral. See, Isaac, see how we reach down. I'm on a convicted court dealer. I'm a lawyer in a court. In which when you a lawyer, you have certain attributes and traits. Honesty, decency, ethics, morality, truthfulness, and on and on. When you check all of them boxes, Isaac Buchanan, not one him can check, but him a liar. I take where I take back Jamaica. All the Prime Minister them need to change all of them. No man is supposed to have a criminal conviction being a liar. That means say all of the police they will convict and go to prison, you can bring them back as police. You have about second chance at what? What kind of madness that? Me talk all them things, and just make me vex and them thing there. So Andrew go fix him soon, Sir P. Time come for us not to go back to the man. Hey, may I show you the people? See all the PMP they want to legalize, want to legalize incest because of some people in a Trilana we have sex with them daughter and go to prison. And they must say, boy, we have to do something about it, We have to go, think about boy, if we legalize it, a man can't have nothing wrong for a man have sex with him daughter. That's a kind of madness that. This a white man say, Mark Golding, people them a Trillani, You understand? Cause people that say boy, them family are hurt, cause them father and grandfather they are prison if you have sex with him daughter. And they must say, boy, we have to go legalize it. So them, the PMP, nothing, there's not good them people want them want to forget as black people, Oh, on God's earth, I tell black people, boy, you want to legalize incest. So a man can have sex with him daughter and him can go to prison for rape, for incest. And them people are some sick people, man. So say, hey, so more or less, all them go all the trouble for them daughter too, Cause our man fi say that. Say him want to legalize incest. The PMP that, them legalize obia, them legalize smoking ganja, and for them legalize smoking, amount of madman that Jamaica them thing there. You understand? Since them legalize the smoking of ganja, you have more mad people at Jamaica now than before. It's a reason why them do it, and everybody brain can manage it. Sometimes if people your sugar if at a certain level, if your sugar low, or you understand it will affect you and mash up all people organs. Some people look for them lose it, them never come back. May I tell you, Uncle Jesus alone can and guess what? And Jesus not gonna help you, May I tell you that Jesus not gonna help you. God help those who help themselves. The same white man used to tell us about have to pray to God and God will help you. And for years, for centuries, black people depend them near pray to God. Even in Jamaica, until you have a guy when named Taki come and say, no man, we don't have to pray to the God. We have to help ourselves and start burn down the cane field them. And most Jamaican don't even know. I see in Jamaica why America become a republic. Because a two war them a fight, and the war escalate. And I saw Britain lose the war in America because of Jamaica Taki. And Taki and we eat. Them not give you Taki as an era. So what am I trying to figure out? Bob Marley. Bob Marley, yeah, in my era in a different realm. The real era, Ataki, because Ataki has given his life for us. The others, them, apart from Garvey, Sam Sharp, what does he matter about Nani? Because Nani is a maroon. Maroon used to capture our ancestors and return them to the plantation. So we don't know that. So everybody who, you understand what I'm saying? And the reason why them couldn't stop Marcus Garvey from become the first hero because of Edward Seaga. Because Edward Seagas put in political career on the line. But all the liar the rest of them now go tell you that. PMP Michael Manley never liked uh, Michael Manley father Michael Manley never liked Marcus Garvey. And Michael Manley father sent Marcus Garvey got prison. I'm called Marcus Garvey the N-word. And Marcus Garvey thump him down. None of them philosophy don't align with Marcus Garvey. The PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Yeah, there for destroy black people. Them don't love black people. Period. And we have to stand up for this. So that's the man where them want the youth them to become. A murderer, like Vibes Cartel, or a drug dealer, like Isaac Buchanan, and a rear admiral, and Buju Banton, another coke dealer, Courtney, Stamatera, Samuel's another coke dealer and murderer. No, them not have no role model up there. We have to fight for this. We can't allow them people to take over, make them get the levers of government. Because all them are do is thief, 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 and mash it up. Jamaica, I first Jamaica even buy all bus and then and another loan. So Jamaica in a good hands. When I tell about Jamaican or this government corrupt, as a youth born and growing in Jamaica, I can tell you at least corrupt government this since 1989. From 1989 until this man become prime minister, Jamaica I, I most corrupt country in the Caribbean with the black man they call PJ Patterson and Michael Manley. Everything's that forbidden happening on this island. Something has to be done ASAP. And that is so true. I PMP mash up Jamaica, you know, man. I PMP mash up Jamaica. Look, everything that is bad, them give it to us. Nothing good. Not even God them want not even God them a give people. Them a give people see it. And not even Satan. Because Satan have nothing to do with rear admirals. A Satan see him and go tell God when the rear admiral them are Sodom and Gomorrah. Him tell God say boy a good thing him can run. I man them down there depraved. And God send the angels them down there. PMP not him fear God. Him not fear God. All of them when you say that. All the fraud him out Rasta guy there when he moved to Baroka. All him Satan child that to man. Man tell black man say, oh, skin out your body and take it. And nothing wrong with that. And me say so cause me a white man, me a God. And them say, yes, master. And yet him tell them say, oh, him born in Jamaica. And them can't show him birth certificate. But yet still I mean, you know, them say, boy, me racist. How me for racist? Me can't racist. Me say, but I hate my grandmother, I hate my father. Can't do that. The racist means a patriot. You say a Jamaican, Jamaican birth. See mine there. That's my Jamaican birth certificate. So me I join the United States Navy. So you see what USN that mean United States Navy. When I join the United States Navy, that I'm a birth certificate with them certified. You understand? And say yes, it's a true copy. I'm a birth certificate. So this is my Jamaican birth certificate. I will show the whole entire thing. Make him show if it's no. This is my birth certificate. And they show my mother fill out and my mother handwriting that, you know. Yes. That's how it used to go. You write it, them write it out. My mother handwriting. When time she write up the red farm. And people are devil man. So my brothers and sisters, you know, as I said, you could have been somewhere else, but you choose to spend the time with us and we appreciate it. So we see you guys tomorrow. I would say at the Jamaica Young Police channel, I would do is tell you the truth, the real mama papa truth, nothing else. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out. And respect again, sister Andra Chin. Peace. Yeah, man, and I agree with you, Sandra. PMP are people nasty party. Nasty people, them man. You understand? Hey, and before me even leave on them thing there, you know, hey, may I show you what I'm saying? You know, say all Michael Manley, ex-wife, you know, she named Beverly Manley. I let the woman in on a shame, you know, man. You know, say she did there with DK Duncan. You understand? And that's why I never get no post there with the Prime Minister wife. And the woman sleep with Michael Manley, and a police woman named Rosie McDonald, you have to sleep with him till him find her next woman. She left him for DK. That's why DK don't continue to get a ministerial post. I saw them say they not have respect for them them leader. A dirty bungle them and corrosion. The worst thing what happened to Jamaica. And tell them send the 2,500 young men them to Cuba for training of terrorism, use of weapons to kill people and to detonate and make bombs. We can't embrace them kind of people. Them people are destructive people. These people are evil. The epitome of evil. And this white man will have to make certain that this year, well, hopefully, the Labour right them pass a law to make certain that anyone to be prime minister, you have to ban a Jamaica. Mark go on the ban, same for go back home country. All right, you understand? So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out for good this time. Peace tomorrow.